If Steam Client WebHelper is eating up too much memory on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the most effective ways to fix high Steam Client WebHelper RAM usage, reduce background load, and make Steam run a lot smoother in 2026. This is especially useful if Steam is slowing down your system, causing lag, or using way more memory than it should. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gaming tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, it helps to understand what Steam Client WebHelper actually is. Steam uses it to display parts of the store, community, library, friends list, and other interface elements. It's basically Steam's built-in browser component, and in newer versions, especially the fully 64-bit client, it can sometimes take up a surprising amount of RAM. The good news is that there are a few settings you can change right now to bring that memory usage down. The first fix, and usually the most important one, is to disable hardware acceleration. This is one of the most common reasons WebHelper starts leaking memory or slowly growing in usage over time. To do that, open Steam, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings. From there, open the Interface section. Here, look for the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views and turn it off. If you also see Hardware Video Decoding, turn that off too. These options can improve performance on some systems, but if Steam Client WebHelper is using too much memory, disabling them often makes a huge difference. Once you've changed those settings, restart Steam so the new configuration fully applies. Now for the second fix, if you have a large Steam library, especially if you've got thousands of games, DLC, or a lot of community content, Steam can struggle to load all that artwork, animations, and extra interface data. That can make WebHelper work much harder than it needs to. To help with that, go back into Steam settings and open the library section. Here, enable low performance mode. This reduces fancy transitions and heavy visual effects in your library. Then turn on the low bandwidth mode as well. That stops Steam from automatically loading as much community content and extra image data in the background. These two settings are especially helpful if your Steam library feels sluggish or if memory usage spikes when you open the library tab. The third fix is to disable animated avatars. Steam's friends and chat area can be surprisingly heavy because WebHelper is responsible for rendering animated profile pictures, avatar frames, and other moving elements. If you have a lot of friends online or your chat list is always open, this can contribute to regular CPU and RAM spikes. To change this, open your friends list, click the gear icon for Settings, then go to Friends and Chat. Find the options for Enable Animated Avatars and Animated Avatar Frames and turn both of them off. This won't remove your profile image, but it will stop Steam from constantly rendering motion-heavy visuals that can add unnecessary load. If you've done all that and Steam still feels too heavy, there's one more emergency fix you can try, and that's small mode. This is a great option if you mainly use Steam just to launch games and don't really care about the store or community pages. To enable it, click View in the top menu bar, then select Small Mode. Steam will switch to a much simpler interface with a lightweight layout. This dramatically reduces how much the browser engine has to do, and in many cases, it can drop Steam's memory usage from several hundred megabytes or more down to a much lower range. If you're trying to free up system resources for gaming, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. If you want the best results, I'd recommend starting with hardware acceleration, then moving on to library performance settings, then disabling animated avatars, and finally using small mode if you want the lightest possible Steam experience. You may not need all of these fixes at once, but combining them can make a noticeable difference, especially on systems with limited RAM or when Steam has been open for a long time. So to recap, turn off GPU accelerated rendering and web views, disable hardware video decoding, enable low performance mode, enable low bandwidth mode, turn off animated avatars and avatar frames, and use small mode if you want the most minimal setup possible. These changes can help reduce Steam Client WebHelper high memory usage and make Steam feel much more stable. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful PC and gaming tutorials, and comment below if you want more Steam optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.